Hi guys, I am Senthilnathan. I am from SP Puducherry community and this is my Ganesh Chaturthi project. Now let me show the working model of my project. When the devotees enter, they have to enter in this way so that the IR sensor senses and a buzzing sound comes and the LCD gradually increases. After praying, they will come outside so that they have to come in this way so that the IR sensor senses and it gradually decreases. I have here three statements: in, present, out. This in statement shows that how many persons have entered the temple. This present statement shows that how many are present inside the temple. And this out statement shows that how many has crossed the gate of the temple. Components I have used: 2 IR sensors, 2 buzzers, starter sheet, SP Arduino and battery. Thanks for watching my video.